This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and unplugging. You must remove the battery if possible because stored charge can short components. Next, pop open access panels, use the small Phillips and a plastic spudger to lift clips gently. Once you see the keyboard bezel, unclip tabs from left to right so you don't snap them. Keep screws organized in a labeled tray. This saves time when reassembling. You're doing this to protect the ribbon cable and the laptop's frame. Slow, steady, and deliberate motion prevents damage. Once the bezel is clear, unlock the ribbon connector by flipping its latch. This releases the keyboard without pulling on the cable. Carefully lift the keyboard and set it face down. If keys are removable, pop them off with a spudger for deeper cleaning. Use compressed air to blow out debris, then a soft brush and 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab for sticky grime. This evaporates fast and won't harm circuits. Make sure parts dry fully. Moisture ruins electronics, so be patient. You reinstall by aligning the keyboard, sliding the ribbon straight into its connector, and locking the latch. This ensures contact. Once seated, start the laptop and test every key before replacing screws. If something fails, power down and double-check the cable orientation and cleanliness. If keys remain dead, try an external USB keyboard to confirm whether it's the keyboard or the motherboard. When all works, tighten screws in reverse order, replace battery, and you're done. If damage appears,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.